Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of 30 days tips and tricks series for buying the perfect monitor. Myself Sharon, and today we are going to start with 3 important things that you must remember for buying the monitor. Tip number 1. Identify the use case. Is it for gaming, video editing, office work, or for casual browsing? Each purpose has specific requirements, so identify your needs clearly. Tip number 2. Your budget. Determine your budget. Monitor comes in all price ranges, so knowing how much you want to spend will help you to focus on the right ones. Tip number 3. Key features. Finally, focus on essential features like screen size, response time, refresh rate, panel type. So choose this based on your specific requirements for best overall experience. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks by Nexus Infosys, and make sure to like, share and subscribe.